Okay, so this is the Iris floor plan. Immediately when you come in to the left, and then immediately here, you have a utility closet. You can use it as a coat closet. That's also where you have like an internet modem. Let's see if I can, there we go. Open that up for you. Powder room here to the left. Kitchen nook, island. The appliances will be included. So this door here would be where you would come in through the 2-car garage every day. Backyard. Let's go upstairs. This is a 4-bedroom. Okay. Immediately upstairs, you have a linen closet, a window oversees the front, the hallway that leads to the bedrooms. So we have bedroom number 2. Right here to your right will be the master bedroom. Laundry, washer and dryer, full bath. Another bedroom. This is a full-size bed in this bedroom. Closet. Another full-size bed. Closet here. All right. So here is your owner's suite. All right, to your left, walk-in closet, nice and spacious. And then this is a king-size bed, just to give you an idea. All right, and this will be your bathroom with a double vanity. All right, and that completes the tour of the Iris floor plan. See if I can get back downstairs for you. Don't forget that bedroom here. All right, that concludes the tour.
Pretty colors.
Come to the front door. So this one does not have any stairs. Then you come in to the left, you have your utility closet, as well as the hot water heater. LVP floors throughout. This particular home has been completely upgraded. There's that powder room that we saw. All appliances are included. Cabinets have been upgraded along with granite countertops. LVP floors all the way through. This is the lot is wood, so you don't have to worry about anyone behind you. Okay, so let's go upstairs really quick. It's carpeted all the way upstairs throughout. Gonna be the same layout as the model home. So for this one, it's unfurnished. So here's your nice window, linen closet, I should say. And remember those bedrooms. All right, there's the master bedroom here with this spacious walk-in closet. Here's what will be your bedroom. Those dark cabinets flow throughout the home. Okay, and then the other 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 2. Washer and dryer are included. The dark cabinets and the hall bath. Okay, bedroom 3 and bedroom 4. Okay. Oh, what is